I'm currently trying to tidy up how the front end of my Kawasaki Z900 looks. It's a bit cluttered, there's not a lot of room on the bars. The mirrors have gone, I didn't like them anyway. I've changed the clutch perch, so that's now gone. And now to look at the next step. So I want to put integrated charging onto the bike, and I've been looking at the best way of doing this. I currently use a Quadlock case, so I have found the 1224 waterproof wireless charger from Quadlock. So I'm going to be installing this on the bike. Fortunately, with the Kawasaki, there are some auxiliary ports in the nose, so what I'm going to do in this video is document me installing it. Let's have a look what's in the box. Quadlock do a very Apple-esque box. So we've got a box full of fixings and cable ties. We'll come to those. We've got the instructions, and then we've got the Quadlock mount itself. So this will be going on the left hand side next to where the mirror mount was. So we'll take this out, and I'm going to look at putting some bullet connectors on it. There we go. So here we are. It's not going to look too out of place. It's black, fits in with the bike, and it's going to look quite tidy when it's all in place. So what I'm going to do is add some bullet connectors, because the auxiliary port behind the back of the nose on the Kawasaki is bullet connectors. So the positive is a female on the bike, so I'm going to be putting the male onto the positive on this, and then obviously the negative is a male on the bike, so I need to put the negative as a female on here. So I'm going to get going now. That's now snipped. We've lost ourselves quite a bit of extension. Now I'm not planning on getting rid of the Z. If I get another bike, I'm going to keep it, so this charger will be staying on it, so I can quite happily toss this away. So I'm going to strip the wires. I've got my 4mm bullet connectors, which I'm going to put on. And that, all done. So that's a bit. Here we go. That's the positive. So we've engaged the ratchet. Ready to do our crimp. Crimped. So now we just need to install on the bike. Here's the front end. We've still got bits in for paint, but I need to take this off to get to the auxiliary ports, so I'll just do that now. Okay, so just inside the main loom There are two bullet connectors that I've already unpicked. There's one, and the second one is, there she is. So we've got two. We've got the two bullet connectors. So got the Quadlock on with the wireless mount, my two bullet connectors that I did earlier, and my two bullet connectors there. So I'm going to wire them up. I don't know if you can hear me over this racket. There we have it, wireless charging. Oh, she's gone.